Hey everybody, so I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to slow down or speed up your audio loops. So let's say you go to Basecamp and you download all your loops and you start practicing with them, but they're too fast for you, so you want to be able to slow them down. So this shows you how to do that. So I'm going to go into GarageBand. And okay, so here's my GarageBand thing, and I'm going to drag in those files. And so, let me see here. There we go. So if you don't know what I'm doing here, you should watch that other tutorial, because all of this is already covered in the other tutorial. But anyway, so here's Skokiana. And I realized, let's see here, I didn't set the tempo correctly. So yeah, it's 110, because see it's 110 BPM, and we're in 4/4, so this should line up right now. Yeah, so that's all lining up there, so we're all good. So I'm going to just delete these two tracks just to not have to deal with them. Alright, so there's our file there, and so let's say we're playing this and it's too fast, so we want to slow it down. So here's what you do. Go down here in the bottom left, you click this little scissor looking icon, and that opens that up, and now you're going to highlight all the tracks. So now they're all highlighted, and then you click this thing down here that says follow tempo and pitch. Click that. Now this is going to take a minute. It needs to do this analysis thing for every track, so depending on the speed of your computer, that might take a minute. So let's just let it do that thing. Okay, it's done. So now that it's done that, let me open this up. Now that it's done that, so you're going to play it and it's at the normal tempo there. Cool, so I'm going to loop it. You know how to loop it because of the other tutorial. So here's my loop. Okay, so now what you can do, now that you've done all that stuff, you can just go down here to the tempo, and when you click on it, it'll let you change the tempo, and you can even do it on the fly. Check it out. Oop, let me play it. So, you know, it kind of hiccups a minute because it has to catch up, but then once it's caught up, it's done. So there you go. That's how to speed up and slow down the audio loops in GarageBand. Hope that helps.